because you're bored and want to be heard. Yeah, that's funny.
No, just try right there. Had a bite. A couple of them. I saw a big boy under there. Biggin. Come on. Something bite right there. Ooh, got a bite. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Do you see them all over here?
I saw one, but my mom, I tried to cast, but my bait caster isn't like able to get under there.
Well, he's dead, but you know, besides that. Uh-oh.
I think you lost your bluegill. No,
Well,
you got him.
I didn't lose him, but he definitely has a.
Probably.
You didn't see that? It just took off.
Took off where?
It took off in the water.
Over there? Towards there or towards there?
The bridge.
Okay.
This poor thing has a concussion now.
Did it steal my bluegill again?
My bluegill.
My bluegill got stolen.
You gotta get another one, hurry. I'm going down. Off all night. Hurry, I'm going down. Would you get something? That's where that peacock is. Oh, be quiet. Oh, now you know how it feels.
No, you didn't get it.
It's alright.
Was it under?
It's a peacock. No, you should have let. Did it get it?
Yeah,
Damn it.
because you were loud.
That's what it was. It had nothing to do with the fact that your skills on hooking suck.
No, they're better than yours.
I don't think so, considering I caught one.
Yeah, that's because I just switched to live bait.
That's not my fault.
Hey.
Well, no, I caught them. Stop, please don't hurt me, okay? William. Please stop.
I'm not doing anything.
Yes, you are.
Right there.
You just grabbed it out of my hand twice. Now stop.
Hopefully peacock will eat it. Try right there. Oop. Got one.
That one. That big is right there.
Not biggin'. It's one though. No, it's a largie. Just caught this. Ow! Frick! Ow! Feel like sandpaper. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna release it. It's probably like a pound and a half. There you go. And he's gone. Yeah, he's gone. Biggin or baby? Oh, what?
How to get him over?
That thing went airborne. They are long.
I had to get mine over. I was like, I'm not letting you go, but
It's like they're potential 2-pounders, but they're long and skinny.
this guy's getting ready to jump. Ready? Watch this. See? As soon as I go. They're long as crud. You'd think they're a snakehead or something. This guy tried biting me, dude. First fish of the day. Bro,
For you.
You call.
There we go. Should be more over here. Ooh, I see one. Oh, are you kidding me? Got a small bird size. And I missed him.
Oh, there's two. Oh, wait, is there any more in here?
I think.
I think this might be the last one.
Man. Oh. That was a big one. He grabbed it again. Did I just lose him? I think I lost him. No! Biggin! I had a biggin over here.
Wanna go steal it?
No? He bit my line. I want to get him.
Might be the last one.
No, it better not be. It better not be.
Oh, it's a bait.
It better not be. Don't dump all the water. We have to get more.
I'm trying to see if there's any more left.
There isn't?
I don't think so.
Damn it.
William.
So many, then we lost so many.
Where's the cast net? Hurry. Where am I going to cast to get bluegill right now?
Over here.
You think they'll be there?
Yeah, somewhere.